Are you managing a global team and wondering how to streamline employee management effortlessly? Today, we'll show you how to automate global employee management with Oyster, a platform designed to make managing remote teams worldwide simple and efficient. With Oyster, you can onboard employees from anywhere, set up their payroll, manage compliance with local laws, and track time zones, all in one platform. You'll save time, reduce administrative tasks, and ensure your global workforce is always supported, no matter where they are. One of the best things about Oyster is how easy it is to set up. You can create a global team without having to worry about the complexities of international hiring, taxes, and local labor laws. The platform automates all of this for you, ensuring you're compliant while focusing on growing your business. From offering contracts to paying your employees, everything is handled in a few simple clicks. Payroll is one of the trickiest parts of managing a global team. But with Oyster, you can run payroll in over 100 countries and pay employees in their preferred currency, reducing errors and delays. Oyster ensures that employees are paid on time, every time, without you needing to manually track everything. The automation handles multiple currencies, deductions, and taxes, so you don't have to worry about local regulations or cross-border complexities. Oyster also offers a comprehensive benefits platform that provides employees with healthcare, paid time off, and more, based on their location. They can even manage all of their benefits directly on the platform, saving HR teams hours of work every month. The platform is also designed to scale with your business. Whether you're a startup hiring your first employee or a large enterprise with hundreds of remote workers, Oyster adapts to your needs. You can easily onboard new hires, assign them tasks, and manage teams across multiple countries, all in one place. Plus, Oyster's platform integrates with tools like Slack, Google Workspace, and more, so your workflow remains seamless. Now, I know you might be wondering about cost. Good news. You can try Oyster completely free from the first link below and access exclusive bonuses, including a longer free trial period than usual. But make sure you stick around because I'll give you all the details on how to access this exclusive offer at the end. With Oyster, managing a global team becomes a breeze. You'll avoid the common pitfalls of international HR and instead have a reliable system that keeps things running smoothly so you can focus on growing your business and supporting your team. Whether you're looking to automate payroll, manage compliance, or streamline onboarding, Oyster handles it all, making global employee management more efficient than ever. Don't waste time on tedious administrative tasks when you can automate them with Oyster. Remember, you can access an exclusive extended free trial of Oyster through the link below. Don't miss out on this chance to simplify your global team management and boost productivity across the board.